Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing something new by speaking in my video. I've been considering doing this one a while, but I'm not very confident in my English speaking skills as it's not my native language. Therefore, I apologize in advance if my accent makes you feel uncomfortable while watching the video. In this video, I will be giving you a tour of my desk and showing you how I keep it minimal yet effective for my work. I'll also share how I find peace and comfort while sitting at my desk for hours. Although having a comfortable and cozy workspace is nice, it's not my entire life. Hence, I'll be sharing my experience of using different gears and stuff so that you can get an idea for your setup. It would make me happy if I could bring some value to you. I hope you enjoy my video. Like many other content creators, I've invested in an ergonomic chair and a standing desk. I purchased my chair from a Dutch online store, and although I can't share the link to the exact chair, I found an alternative on Amazon, which I'll link in the description below for anyone interested. I love the chair at first sight due to its aesthetic, color, and affordability compared to other websites. Before setting up my desk, I imagined how it would look and what color and tone I would use to decorate it. Everything just popped up in my mind. My standing desk measures 140 cm by 80 cm, which is great for my small attic office. There's a charging port, but I hardly use it. I switch to the standing mode occasionally to change my position, as sitting for extended periods can increase the risk of early death by 49%. Standing has many health benefits, such as low blood sugar levels, reduced risk of heart disease, and less stress and fatigue. However, I'm not insisting that everyone buy a standing desk, as it's ultimately a personal choice. Nevertheless, it's always better to make good choices for your health. Before moving to the Netherlands, I never thought I would need an office at home. I had a corporate job, and after work, I would just relax and watch something on my laptop. I didn't need a desk. Since I moved to the Netherlands and started creating videos, I realized I needed my own space to do what I wanted. I wanted a designated area where I could work without any distractions. I've been using my MacBook Air with an M1 chip for 2.5 years as my main computer. It has 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The setup provides an excellent amount of firepower to handle heavy-duty tasks like editing 4K footage and processing raw photo files. I can render a 10-minute 4K video with transition and effects within a few minutes, making my workflow a lot smoother. Compared to my previous MacBook Air, this device has exceeded my expectations. It has more processing power, making it possible to handle multiple tasks simultaneously without any lag. You might be thinking, why not go for a MacBook Pro on the latest M3 chip model? Many people believe that these are the best options available. And you're not wrong. But for me, The trusty M1 chip does the job just fine. Given that I only work a few days a week and primarily use my MacBook Air for video editing and basic tasks, I don't believe I require the additional power of MacBook Pro or the latest power for Mac. My current setup with the M1 chip serves me well for my needs. So far, I've learned the valuable lesson of only purchasing what I truly need rather than what I simply want. The main monitor is an ultra-wide 34-inch from LG. To be honest, I wasn't specifically seeking an ultra-wide monitor at first. However, after watching a bunch of review videos on YouTube and exploring forums, I finally decided on this one. While there might have been better options available, I'm pretty happy with my choice, especially given my limited budget. The 34-inch ultra-wide screen and QHD resolution provide a truly immersive viewing experience, whether you're watching movies, playing games, or multitasking with multiple windows open side by side. The monitor delivers vibrant colors, excellent color accuracy, and sharp details, making it ideal for content creation, photo editing, and watching multimedia content. It has an HDMI port, DisplayPort, and USB-C port, allowing you to easily connect to multiple devices such as laptops, desktop, gaming console, and more. Is it good for gaming? Actually, I don't play a game, so I haven't any experience with gaming on this monitor. Some commentaries are saying that it isn't good enough for gaming, so is it good for basic tasks or office tasks? Yes, it is, but sometimes I find it a bit lag when I edit 4K footage or open multiple windows at the same time. I have another issue with this monitor. I can't stream Netflix on Chrome or Safari. Whenever I try to play a movie, I can't hear the sound, but the screen stays black. Has anyone experienced the same issue? Please let me know in the comment section. I connected my MacBook to the monitor with a docking station. I got it from Mini Subaru. It has 36 watts power adapter, expand 12 ports for daily use, 2x 4K HDMI, 2x 4K DisplayPort, USB-C port, USB-A port, 3.5 audio jack. The build quality is impressive, and its sleek design adds an elegant touch to my setup, giving it a modern yet minimalistic look. I got this charging station from Audufo, and honestly, I wasn't sure what to expect since I didn't know the brand, but turns out it's pretty awesome. The materials feel solid, and it does its job well. I've been using it regularly, and it's holding up fine. The bamboo style also complements my setup and gives me a sense of natural calmness. When I'm working, I prefer not to listen to music because I like to give my full attention and focus 100% on my task at hand. I'm a determined person, and I always aim to complete my work as quickly and efficiently as possible. This way I can have some free time to do other things that I enjoy, such as spending time with my boyfriend. To help me concentrate, I only have speakers on my desk while working. I find that they provide just the right amount of background noise without being too distracting. However, when I'm editing videos, I switch to my AirPods Pro 2 to check the audio quality. I got my speakers from the Creative Lab, and they are a special edition called the Creative Artisan Edition Bevel V3. I love their unique design, which is called Jelly Roll. Jellylo is a simple, anti-bullying and delicate jellyfish inspired the Singaporean artist who designed it. The armor around them helps protect them from enemies. I find them so cute and vivid, and the sound quality is good enough for me to enjoy music, movies, YouTube and work. So I was redoing my workspace to make it feel all comfy and welcoming. Then Colorlight got in touch with me about their cool light panel, and I was immediately interested. It's shaped like a heart and has this soft blossom color that adds a nice touch to my desk area. I can control it super easily with their app, so I can adjust the brightness or switch up the colors and patterns depending on how I'm feeling. I also add some LED lights from Govee behind my desk. These lights not only give my setup some personality, but also help set the overall mood. With all their different options and settings, I can create a perfect lighting vibe that's personalized to me. Now my workspace is super cozy and always make me feel like getting stuff done or just chilling out. The most attractive thing on my desk is this lamp. I've got many questions to ask where I got it. Honestly, this lamp cost me around 10 euros or less, something like that. I collected it from a local store in the city. The bottom was originally gray, so I bended it white to match my setup. I just got a smart lighting from BenQ 2 weeks ago. I've made a video about it so you can check it. I'll put a link to the video in the description as well. That saves me a lot of space and it helps my desk look neater and airier. So far, I've got 2 mechanical keyboards in my collection, but this one is my favorite. I'm absolutely in love with it. I mean, who doesn't love the sound of a creamy keyboard, right? This keyboard is from Redragon, specifically the Redragon K6 and 73 model. But I decided to mod it a bit. I added some tape, switched out the switches for these linear Arco wine red ones, and changed the new keycaps. And let me tell you, it took the sound to a whole new level. It's like typing on a cloud, so smooth and buttery. It's the little things, you know, but it makes all the difference. And I just love using my Magic Trackpad, mechanical keyboard and lift mouse combo for video editing. The trackpad gives me such precise control, the keyboard makes shortcuts so much easier, and the ergonomic lift mouse is just so comfortable. Together, they make my editing process faster and more comfortable. Most of the gear on my desk is from my sponsor, and I'm so grateful for all of them, as they're useful in my daily work routine. Having a bunch of plants on my desk is something I absolutely adore. Being surrounded by greenery just brings me this incredible sense of calm and peace. It's like having a little piece of nature right there with me while I work. And you know what's even better? Taking the time to care for them, watering them, making sure they're thriving. It's like a little mindfulness practice in itself. Taking care of my plants has taught me so much about appreciating the small things in life, living in the moment, and soaking up all the positive energy around me. It's a reminder to slow down, be present, and find joy in the little moments. Caring my plants has taught me the importance of finding happiness in small things. being present in the moment and embracing positivity. Seeing my baby plant grow and thrive every day reminds me of the beauty and wonder of life. It's inspiring to know that I'm playing a part in its growth and development. These moments of progress and growth have taught me how to extend love and kindness to the people in my life. I'm still learning, of course, learning how to be more loving, more compassionate, and more kind, especially in a world that can be feel chaotic at times. But my plants are there, quietly teaching me every day, and for that, I'm incredibly grateful. Even though my desk might look nice and tidy in the pictures I share online, the truth is that it's usually pretty messy. Can you relate? I tend to keep everything I need within easy reach while I'm working, which means my desk ends up cluttered with all sorts of stuff. And let's be real, after a busy day, I often don't have the energy to clean it all up. But isn't that just the reality of how we work? Prioritizing functionality over aesthetics is all part of the game. So that's a little peek into my workspace, and I hope you found it interesting. I really do love my setup, but let's be real, I don't want to spend every single day chained to my desk. I mean, I've got at least 30 more years of working ahead of me, so why should I waste all my time just focusing on work and not enjoying life, right? I hope this video gives you some inspiration and reminds you to find a balance between getting stuff done and actually living your life. After all, work is important, but so is making time for the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. So here's to finding that balance and making the most of every moment. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video.